How to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay with a debit card. So first thing you want to do is open your free account. So buying Bitcoin on MoonPay is very easy. So first sign up for a free account in a few seconds. Then you need to choose Bitcoin or BTC as the crypto you want to buy. So simply just select Bitcoin from the catalog of over 100 cryptocurrencies available. Then you need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. So MoonPay works with leading non-custodial Bitcoin wallets like Ledger and Trust Wallet. And if you don't have a wallet yet, don't worry, MoonPay will set up a Bitcoin wallet automatically for you after a checkout if it's your first purchase. Then you need to top up your MoonPay balance. So using your debit card, you can have and add funds into your MoonPay account using convenient payment methods like I've said, debit card. And then since we want to use a debit card, simply just add your credit card details. Then lastly, you want to check out and pay. So if you don't want to pay with your balance, there's no worries. There's a whole load of options to pay and choose from, like the Google Pay, Apple Pay, and credit cards and debit cards. Then lastly, once you have your Bitcoin token secured, you'll now own your Bitcoin and you have successfully bought Bitcoin on MoonPay using a debit card.